I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off hardware acceleration in the Discord desktop app. And a quick note for mobile users. If you're looking for this setting on your iPhone or Android or on the Discord website, you won't find it. Hardware acceleration is a feature exclusive to the Discord desktop app. Step 1. Open the Discord app on your computer and then click the user settings icon at the bottom of the screen. The icon looks like a small gear next to your username. Step 2. Scroll down the menu on the left side of the screen to the Experience section and then tap Appearance. Step 3. Scroll down to the Advanced section and then find Enable Hardware Acceleration. You'll see a description noting that this uses your GPU to make Discord smoother. Click the toggle to turn it off. Step 4. A Change Hardware Acceleration window pops up, warning you that changing this setting will quit and relaunch Discord. Click Change and Restart. Discord will restart immediately. Once it reopens, hardware acceleration will be disabled and your CPU will take over the processing tasks previously handled by your graphics card. And again, if you're looking for this setting on your iPhone or Android or on the Discord website, you won't find it. Hardware acceleration is a feature exclusive to the desktop app version of Discord. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.